gun, no squeeze. You want to take a piece of Velcro and you want to just wrap it tight like so. And then I don't even have to squeeze anymore, guys. Look, easy. You can just use your arm